We know that Pixel 8 and 8 Pro will come with some significant camera sensor upgrades as well as in display upgrades, and I've already made videos on that. But because this is gonna be the Google's next big thing, everyone is excited. And today we have the first live images of the Pixel 8 Pro that were shared on Reddit, before the pictures were taken down, by the way. Now, one of the images actually shows the back of the device with a sticker that reads for test evaluation only. And it also shows the codename Zuma, which is a reference to the Tensor G3 chip that I have actually talked about in the last few videos. The back of the phone actually shows what we have already seen on the Pixel 8 Pro leak marketing videos. 3 rear cameras inside one pill cutout inside the camera bar, which is a pixel thing, and there is going to be another sensor right underneath the flash. Now, we also know what the sensor is actually. It's a temperature measurement sensor. It's still a unique thing. I don't know how much useful it is going to be right now, but even then, it's still unique to have it. I mean, why not? Now, the back panel of the device actually had a textured pattern. This is mostly a prototype thing. Don't expect it in the final device. Now, the front of the phone actually shows the fast boot screen and actually mentions the Husky, which is the code name for the Pixel 8 Pro model. Now, this also reveals that it will come with 12GB of Samsung's LPDDR5 RAM and 128GB of UFS 4.0 storage technology. The images also confirms that the Pixel 8 Pro will not gonna have any more curved displays as the past Pro models. Yeah, that's totally gone. The display will still remain at 6.7 inches, slightly smaller than the Pixel 7 Pro's one, and it will feature 120Hz refresh rate. But this time, the 120Hz refresh rate is actually going to be much more better than last year's model, because it can go as low as 10Hz and as high as 120Hz. And even then, the transition between 60Hz and 120Hz is going to be much more smoother. So it's going to be much more seamless. But that's not only it. It will also come with a new generation USB-C port that will support USB DisplayPort alternative mode. That simply means that this phone might also arrive, or in the future we might gonna get a Samsung DeX-like PC mode experience. If you want to know more about that, you can check out my recent video on that. Anyway, there are also going to be significant camera upgrades, like the main camera is going to be upgraded to ISOCELL GN2 from Samsung. It's a 50MP sensor just like the ISOCELL GN1 of the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. It also appears that the 64MP IMX787 sensor from the Pixel 7a will be used inside the Pixel 8 Pro as the ultra-wide-angle camera. Now, it is almost twice as large as the Pixel 7 Pro's 12MP IMX386 sensor that will still be featured inside the standard Pixel 8. It doesn't make sense, but it is what it is. Now, the time of flight sensor is also changing, which shouldn't make sense to you because it just means that the autofocus is going to be better. And that's probably it for the camera sensors. And yes, the device will also be powered by the Tensor G3 chip, which will also see a massive upgrade over the Tensor G2 chip, whether you talk about the CPU, GPU, or even the TPU or NPU capabilities. Anyway, that's probably it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about the Pixel 8 Pro? And yes, if you want, you can get some crazy cool wallpapers up on my website, a link down below. Until the next one, bye and take care.